Year 2020 has been one of the worst year we have ever seen. There are so much of negatives all around us. And soon we started to recover from the period of pandemic. Our media doesn't let us to be positive. In today's episode, we are going to talk about how to be positive in these negative circumstances. And I'm sure by the end of this video, you will get a reason to relax and enjoy your life. So friends, let's get started. And before that, if you are here for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading my videos every Sunday. Hello friends, this is Prajwal Gaikwad and you are watching series of my motivational videos, Meaningful Life, where we help to be you want to be. Friends, first of all, we have to understand when do we call the things around you or me is not going well or it is negative. The things which you say as a negative can be categorized into two. The first one which has a direct impact and the other one which doesn't impact you directly. Talking about the things which has a direct impact, and it may be in terms of your finance, in terms of your health related issues. As we have seen, many people lost their job during this pandemic situation, which affects their economical situation severely and has a negative impact on their finance. And during the same period, if somebody got affected from the coronavirus and have faced the severe health problems, again it is a problem and negative circumstances of his life and has a direct impact. While most of the people seems that there is negativity all around them, and when I use the word feel or seems, it gets directly connected to your emotions. These are the things which not actually exist, but still people worry about it and gets lost in the maze of their own negative emotions. There are different strategies to handle these negatives which has a direct impact on you and which doesn't impact you directly. And the things which doesn't impact you directly, 95% of people are worried about it and ruining their life. It is all about the game of emotions, negative emotions. We have to understand from where these negative emotions comes from. The negative emotions like anger, fearness, sadness, etc. Friends, let's play a game. If you really want to get rid of your emotions, just pause this video right now and take a copy and pen with you. Pause it for a while. Okay, done. I guess many of my viewers are having the copy and pen with them. Now we will take negative emotions one by one, starting with the fear. Just write down and follow me what I am saying. Just write down, I am afraid of. Write down whatever things comes to you in your mind when you say I am afraid of. Just write it down. I am afraid of. I am scared of. I have a fear of. Just write down the things which are coming to your mind. Just write it down or keep in your mind if you are not writing. And you can pause this video anytime if you want. If you want, just for a video making purpose, I am taking it too little fast, but you can pause this video anytime and write down the things which are coming to your mind. Now take next emotions of sadness. Just write it down. I feel sad about. I am sad about. Or I have a sad feeling of. Just write it down. At any point of time, I'm going too little fast, you can pause the video and write it down. Okay? Now take the next emotion, that is anger. I feel angry about. I feel angry about. Just write it down. I feel angry about. I am angry of what? Just write it down. And now if you are done with your exercise, just analyze the things which you have written. And first of all, I guess most of the people are not coming the things in their mind that what to write. कभी कभी लगता है ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है जब हम सोचते हैं और जब अब लिखने की बात आती है तब हमारे दिमाग में आता ही नहीं है। और जब हम लिखने की सोचते हैं तब वो चीज़ें उतनी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं लगती जिसके बारे में हम इतने सारे मैंने बॉदर करते हैं। ओके, देन if you are done with your exercise, then there might be a 10 to 20 things you have written, and when you analyze these things you will find that most of the things are not actually gonna happen in their life of which they were worried about. और अगर आप में से कोई एक स्टूडेंट होगा और वो बोलेगा सर आई एम fearful of getting failed, I am scared of getting failed in exam, और आप में से कोई एक वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल और प्राइवेट नौकरी करने वाला बंदा होगा तो वो बोलेगा सर आई एम स्केयर्ड ऑफ लूजिंग माई जॉब। तो दोस्तों मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि शॉर्ट टर्म में आउटपुट को चेंज करना पॉसिबल तो नहीं, लेकिन जो भी आउटपुट आ रहा होगा उससे आप तरीके से एनालाइज कर लो तो आपकी आने वाली ज़िंदगी आसान ज़रूर हो सकती है। इफ़ यू हैव अ फियर ऑफ फेलिंग इन एग्ज़ाम और लूजिंग योर जॉब, that means you also know why you might get failed or lose your job. और अब तक के आपने ये मेरी वीडियो विदाउट स्किप किए देख ली है तो आपको ये भी पता चल गया होगा the negative things which doesn't impact you directly but not controlled in time, it may lead to the things which can impact you directly. And now coming to the guys who are actually in the dark zone of direct impact. My friend Vishal, who works as a lecturer in one of the engineering college, lost his jobs during this pandemic. And my other friend Rohan, who went to home for the 4 months during this lockdown, and only because of this reason his company asked him to resign. Ultimately, both of them are not having the job right now. And when I compare these two guys have the same financial backup from their home. My first friend Vishal called me that day and narrated what happened with him. I felt really sad about him and he was very desperate for the job. And my friend Rohan came to me after his resignation before leaving to his village. And what these two guys said, just check their mindset. The first friend Vishal said, Sir, ab kya hoga? How I will get a job? And the second one said, सर यहाँ से निकले हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ज़रूर करेंगे. Look at their mindset. The first one sound hopeless and the second one sounds full of hope. And this is the mindset which decides your destination. And on which side you want to be, it's your call. Friends, this is just a glass of water. But how you look at it, that matters. A half filled or half empty. This is the thing which we have learned right from our childhood. It might sound silly, might sound funny to you. कहने के लिए छोटी सी बात है, बट आपका देखने का नज़रिया, आपके सामने जो भी सर्कमस्टेंसेस होते हैं, जो भी नेगेटिव सिचुएशंस होती है, उसको किस तरीके से हैंडल करना है और उससे किस तरीके से उबरना है, वो डिसाइड करता है. It all starts from you and ends at you. And you are the only responsible person of the outcome you achieved. May it be positive or may it be negative. Friends, this is my way and my perspective towards life. What is your perspective? Please tell me in the comment box. And if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. That's it from my side. This is Prajwal Gaikwad signing off. Thanks for watching and stay motivated.